prison? And if you were in Congress, would you introduce proposals for the SEC to investigate Nancy Pelosi and other members of Congress who are clearly profiting from insider trading?
Yeah, look, first of all, I'm not going to come away from this interview and say that I want to put Nancy Pelosi in jail. That is not going to happen.
Well, why not?
We can't even bust people for torture.
Look, yeah. Well, look, should we address the insider trading? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's, members of Congress should not be trading these portfolios that people have. At the best, they should be put in trust. And they, and sometimes people will say they've done that. But, with members of Congress, unfortunately, for the Senate and for some members of the House, mostly people are multi-millionaires, decamillionaires, and beyond. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes when you get a distance from a certain income group, you forget about the mass of American people just trying to make ends meet. Well, I can just tell you that would I be working on those kind of reforms that you suggest? Yes. Am I about putting people in jail? Nah. But am I about stopping the practice? Absolutely.
But doesn't it hurt any kind of faith people have in government when people say, no, Nancy shouldn't go to jail? I would go to jail. If I were outperforming Warren Buffett and
Martha
Bill
Stewart
Ackman,
had to go to jail.
I'd go to jail. She went to jail. Kurt would go to jail. So why doesn't Nancy go to jail?
Well, you know what? I'm telling you again that remember, I go in as an independent. I want to be in a position where I can bring people together. It would be kind of difficult to do that if if I want to put in jail one of the leaders of the Democratic Party. Not going to do it.
It would make you very popular, though.
What are you going to try war crimes too, you maniac?